Hi. Sorry, mate. My name is Stephen, and today we're going to be talking about a very serious topic. So unfortunately, we can't use the gag that I was going to use. So I'm sorry. So I'll just be gentle about. Okay. Anyway, for today we're going to be talking about mental health and two conditions we're going to be talking about today, which is anxiety and depression, and they typically go together. Now, this is a brand new study released on the effects of Saffron in a double-blind, randomised, placebo-controlled trial, and they used a 30 milligram standardised dose of Saffron. Now, what is Saffron? Saffron is that beautiful coloured herb that a lot of Hindi women use to make the spot on their head there, and of course that beautiful colour that flavours our rice, etc. So it's that wonderful spice that we all use. This is, as I said, a beautiful trial using 56 healthy males and females that went for 8 weeks. And what they found was that in this study, they gave them the saffron and measured their physiological effects on the body and their response to stress and anxiety. And you can see by the first graph here, as soon as they take the saffron, you can see after about 75 minutes the decline in cortisol. Now, what is cortisol? Cortisol is a stress hormone. So sure, they felt better, but they had reductions in cortisol. The second graph here shows you that it very much helps reduce their anxiety. So it works very, very well in a relatively short period of time. And what the study researchers concluded is quite startling. It says saffron extract appears to improve subclinical depressive symptoms in healthy individuals and may contribute to increased resilience against development of stress-related psychiatric disorders. So if you're prone to getting stressed or depressed, saffron could be a wonderful spice that could really spice up your life. Thank you very much.